Welcome to our guide on a 10-day backpacking trip across Eastern Europe. Eastern Europe is a culturally rich region that offers a diverse range of experiences for backpackers. In this video, we'll give you a rough itinerary for a 10-day trip, including where to go, what to see and where to stay. Day 1 to 2, Budapest, Hungary. Budapest is a city of thermal baths, historic castles, and a thriving food scene. Spend your first day exploring the city's many landmarks, including Buda Castle, Fisherman's Bastion, and St. Stephen's Basilica. On day 2, take a dip in one of Budapest's famous thermal baths, such as Székely or Gellert, and sample some Hungarian cuisine at a local restaurant. In Budapest, you can stay at the Carpe Noctem Vitae hostel. This hostel is located in the heart of Budapest's nightlife district and offers a lively atmosphere with nightly events and activities. They also provide walking tours and a welcoming environment for solo travelers. Day 3 to 4, Krakow, Poland. Krakow is a city of historic architecture and a vibrant nightlife. Spend your day exploring the city's old town, including the main market square and St. Mary's Basilica. On day 2, take a trip to Auschwitz-Birkenau, a former concentration camp that serves as a somber reminder of the atrocities of World War II. Here, you can stay at Greg and Tom Beer House Hostel. Located in the heart of Krakow, this hostel offers a social atmosphere and a bar serving a variety of beers. Day 5 to 6, Prague, Czech Republic. Prague is a city with a rich history and a stunning old town. Spend your first day exploring the city's many landmarks, including the Charles Bridge and Prague Castle. On day 2, take a walk around the city's beautiful parks, such as Petrin Hill or Letna Park, or explore some of the city's art museums. Here, you can stay at the Hostel 1 Prague. This hostel offers a social atmosphere with nightly events, a communal kitchen and free breakfast. Day 7 to 8, Vienna, Austria. Vienna is known for its stunning architecture, classical music and coffee culture. Spend your first day exploring the city's many palaces, including Schönbrunn Palace and the Hofburg Palace. On day 2, take a stroll around the city's many parks and gardens, such as the Belvedere Palace Gardens or the Stadtpark. Here, you can stay at the Wombat City Hostel Vienna. Located near Vienna's Naschmarkt, this hostel offers a modern and clean environment with a variety of private and shared rooms. Day 9 to 10, Bratislava, Slovakia. Bratislava is a small but charming city with a rich history and beautiful architecture. Spend your first day exploring the city's landmarks, including the Bratislava Castle and the St. Martin's Cathedral. On day 2, take a walk around the city's old town and enjoy the city's laid-back atmosphere. Here, you can stay at the Hostel Blues. This hostel is located in Old Town and offers a social atmosphere with nightly events. Backpacking across Eastern Europe is an amazing adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. By following this itinerary and staying in these hostels, you'll experience the best that the region has to offer while meeting fellow travelers and making new friends. So pack your bags and join us on this unforgettable journey.